Hey y'all, it's SheRea. What's up? Let's get right into it. Y'all ready for my latest DIY recipe? It is guaranteed to strengthen weak, breakage-prone hair, promote the growth of thicker hair, we love to see it, reduce hair loss, and take curl definition to the next level. Let's get into it. But before we do, I would really appreciate it if you gave this video a thumbs up. It really does help my channel out, believe it or not. And if you feel ever so inclined to subscribe, I would love you forever. Alright folks, let's get to mixing. The first step in the process is making the rice milk. We're going to need a heaping cup of black rice with 16 ounces of fenugreek tea. And then I blend in my NutriBullet for 2 minutes to combine the ingredients. Now it's time to strain the rice milk, and I'm using a nut milk bag. This is not optional, this is necessary. Please strain your rice milk, and you'll see why in a second. And per usual, everything I am mentioning in this video will be linked down below, so please check the description box. Yes, it's messy, and yes, it's gross, but you gotta do it. Or else you're going to be left with this, and this ain't cute at all. Whatsoever. Don't do it. See what I told you? The milk is nice and smooth without any residue, and that's what we want. Speaking of what we want, we also want to keep this content coming, correct? Here's a quick word from this video's sponsor. Shout out to Skillshare for continuing to support my channel. I've talked about Skillshare plenty of times on here, but if you're new, hey boo, let me put you up on game. Skillshare is an online learning community that offers thousands of classes from experts around the world on various topics ranging from gardening to photography. Truth is, I had no idea what I wanted to learn this week. I've been feeling really inspired lately with video ideas coming left and right, so I just ended up taking a few classes. That's what I love about Skillshare. The classes and the opportunities to grow and learn are endless. I took classes on YouTube Analytics because nerd things, but I also took a fun class on stop motion video, which I am super hyped to incorporate into my next DIY video. So stay tuned for all my extraness. Enough long talking, click the link in my description box to get a free trial of Skillshare Premium and learn something new with me. Back to the recipe we go. Now we're going in with a 3/4 cup of cedar. Of course, the amount of powder and the amount of ingredients really will depend on your hair density and your length. But this is what I'm using, 3/4 cups of cedar. Cedar is similar to henna in that the strengthening and fortifying effects can last for several weeks, but it doesn't leave the funky red color. So it's perfect for gray and light colored hair. It helps to thicken hair over time, reduce hair loss, and get the curl definition poppin'. What you'll notice about cedar is that it does double in size pretty quickly, so you don't need a lot to get a lot. So don't go ham with it, it will double in size, similar to fenugreek. And that's me using my full 16 ounces of fenugreek tea. Cedar doesn't really get smooth like hibiscus or moringa. It stays pretty clumpy, but don't worry about that. I'm gonna show you how to fix that in a second. Now it's time to throw the honey in there. This recipe calls for 4 tablespoons of honey. Honey is a humectant, meaning it draws moisture from the air into our hair, making it really perfect for any deep conditioner. Can't forget the oil. We're going in with 4 tablespoons of my hair growth oil. Use whatever oil you have. You can use coconut, olive, avocado, almond, and of course, there's no SheRea DelSol recipe without an essential oil. So I'm going in with a few drops of peppermint oil, which is actually one of my favorites. Now that the ingredients are all in the bowl, we're just going to give it a mix. And to make it smooth, this is my secret. You can go in with a traditional mixer, but I've been using my immersion blender, and sis, perfection. It literally gets every bit of powder mixed into the liquid. It turns a mass from chunky and gunky to nice, smooth, almost like chocolate. You didn't think I forgot my favorite herb, did you? I just like mixing in the ingredients slowly, just so it's not too watery or too thick. I like taking my time. Because I know the recipe is perfect, just know you need a half a cup of brahmi. Like I said, brahmi is my favorite herb. Don't tell my other herbs. I've used it in many recipes on my channel, and that's for a reason. Like cedar, it helps to thicken the hair and provide strength. It stimulates hair growth, and what's the goal? That booty crack length hair, exactly. I make sure that it's fully blended in my mixture using my immersion blender, aka the best thing ever. And these are the end results, y'all. Look at this nice, yummy, delicious, pretty brownie mixed chocolate mousse awesomeness. It's amazing, and I can't wait to show you how to apply it. It's application time! And we're going to ignore this suspicious spot on my dress. Mind your business. Yeah, just mind your business. I'm starting off on freshly washed hair. Typically, I would apply these mixes on dry, dirty hair, but I want to show you that you can apply them either way. I do get a lot of questions about that. You can apply them on dirty hair, you can apply them on clean hair. It's really up to you, and it's a matter of preference, like everything. I'm just so obsessed with my afro. All our lives, we've been taught to hate this texture, hate our hair, hate our skin, and y'all, our hair is beautiful. Our hair defies gravity. I've been so obsessed with my hair lately, and I love this for me. My younger self is so damn proud. This is the consistency of the mask I thought I would show you. I always do a little Birdman hand rub before I apply the product just to warm it up. So let's have a full disclosure moment. This is a strengthening mask, so it's not going to feel softening or moisturizing on application. That comes later, and we're going to talk about it a little later. But for now, don't expect it to apply like conditioner. I don't want to say it applies like ApHogee because it's kind of different, but if you've used henna before, it applies like henna. Your hair feels weighed down, it feels stronger. You don't want to over manipulate your hair, and you don't want to start off on tangled hair. I didn't try to separate my curls too much or pull them apart. I just kind of laid it on like a paintbrush. I didn't do too much manipulation. Take your time and apply this. If you feel like your hair needs moisture, don't go in with this. That's not what this is going to give you. This is going to get that hair strong and popping. It's not a moisturizing treatment. Click the card above for my other DIY recipes if that's what you need and you want. I told y'all I'm heavy-handed. I did use almost the entire thing. I did have a bit left over, and I'm going to use it in a future video. So if you're interested to see what I do with it, definitely subscribe so you don't miss it. I said subscribe. The mask is now all applied and my hair is weighed down. You're getting a little sense of my length. Of course, there's still a lot of shrinkage, but y'all see those inches coming through. I know y'all see it. I know you see it. Now this is the major key. I sat under my hair steamer for 40 minutes with this. If you haven't used your hair steamer with your Ayurvedic treatments, you don't love yourself, plain and simple. You don't love yourself. Love yourself. Use your steamer, sit under from anywhere from 20 to 40 minutes, and change your life, sis. Just change your life. I'll link my steamer down below per usual. 40 minutes later, and it's time to rinse the treatment out. When you're rinsing it out, also don't manipulate your hair too much. It's going to kind of feel like ApHogee. Your hair is going to feel a bit stiff. But the moisture is coming, sis. The moisture is coming. So don't manipulate your hair too much. Allow the warm water to work the powders out of your strands. Now this is how we get the moisture back. And no, you don't need a hardcore deep conditioner. You just need a cheapy rinse out conditioner. I'm using my favorite from Herbal Essences. Link down below. You know the deal. As soon as I applied this on my hair, the moisture came through. This literally awakened the moisture in my hair. When you apply this, that's when you feel the effects of the mask. At first, you're like unsure, you're confused. Trust the process. I said, trust the process. Go in with a rinse out conditioner and it will literally transform the experience. And this is a tip. If you apply Ayurvedic treatments and you rinse them out and your hair feels hard, or it feels brittle, or it feels stiff, and you're concerned, just go in with a rinse out conditioner in the shower and you will instantly feel the difference. Now don't go in with no booty rinse out conditioner. Go in with a quality rinse out conditioner that's packed with moisture, and your hair will literally change. So don't rinse it out and get scared and be like, oh my God, what did SheRea tell me? Don't be scared. Use a conditioner. You'll be okay. We'll be okay. It's been a few days, and after moisturizing my hair feels like a cloud. Trust the process, babe. Trust the process. But I'm also going to be honest, this is another full disclosure moment. Cedar is a pain in the butt to rinse out. You're going to have to rinse your hair for a hot minute. Is it worth it? Sure enough, it is worth it, because you're getting the effects of henna without having to deal with the color from henna. I honestly still have bits in my hair because I was too lazy. I was super busy that day and I didn't take my time and rinse it out. So I may or may not have a lot of bits in my hair. You need to rinse your hair, and you need to rinse it well. Overall, I've had a great experience with this deep conditioner. My hair feels great. It looks great. The definition was there. The moisture was there. And y'all know that's all we want. We want definition. We want moisture. And we want long hair. These are the things. Well, thank you guys so much for watching. I love you so much. I hope this video was helpful. If you have any questions or concerns, leave them down below and let's talk about it. Love y'all. Peace.